Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best iPhone apps that you can get on your device right now on October 2022. These are apps that can be downloaded for free from the App Store, and most of them are actually very useful. The first app for the video is called Opener. Now this one is really interesting. It's actually an extension for Safari which allows you to choose on which app you want to open certain links on Safari. So let's say YouTube. When you go to youtube.com and you open a link, you can choose in which app you want to actually open that link, whether you want to stay on the Safari app or just choose any other apps that you might have on your device that can play or actually open those links. So if you want to always go to YouTube, you can do that. Or let's say on Reddit, you're on reddit.com, you can stay on Safari or go to Reddit, or you can go maybe to Apollo or any other app, of course, the Reddit clients. Now, first of all, you will need to actually enable this, so make sure you go to your settings, go under Safari, we'll find extensions here, and make sure you have Opener enabled. Now here we have another really cool Safari extension. So again, install the app, which is called Opener, and you can find it, of course, linked right down below on the pinned comment. Once you have installed the app, all you have to do is go to Safari, on the settings of Safari actually, and go to extensions here, and make sure you go to Opener and make sure you have that enabled, and of course allow it on all websites. Now this is a simple extension, but what it does, it gives you a haptic feedback on your device when you have reached the top or the bottom of a page. Now this is really cool. Now sometimes pages will have other sections that they will actually take some time to load, but if it's actually the real bottom or the real top of the website, you will hear that haptic feedback. The next app for the video is called Reddy. Now this is a very useful app if you use PDF files on your device. It allows you to convert PDF files to the most famous formats. Now right here is a PDF that you can load from your Files app. Now what you can do here is, of course, edit that PDF. So from here you can maybe add text from here, the text box, or just maybe mark it up. Once you're done, you have everything ready, you can tap here and you will have three different options. So you can turn a PDF file into a picture, you can turn it into a Word file, or into an Excel file. It's pretty simple to use. You choose the format, tap right there, and wait for a few seconds until it has done converting the file, and you're good to go. You can convert your PDFs into the most popular formats like Word, Excel, or actually just turn it into a picture. The next app for the video is called WhiteOut. This is really cool. It allows you to hide certain fields on a screenshot or any other picture. So here I have a screenshot that I just took on the settings app. Let's say I want to hide here reminders. I don't have to use the markup tool to do that. All I have to do is just select that text and of course tap here to select the color. But if I just tap right there, you can see it will hide it, and I can choose any color I want here to hide the text. So select right there the text you want to hide on a picture or a screenshot, and you can hide it just like that. Of course, you will have an undo button, and you will have also the markup tools if you want to use those, and they also have here the undo and redo buttons as well, which is really useful. But again, anytime you want to send a screenshot maybe of a text or something like that, but you want to hide certain parts, all you have to do is just simply select the text just like you would do on a normal text and tap the button to hide the text from the picture. Next up is a new weather app, which is really interesting. I really like this one. It's simple to use and it has a really great interface. So right here we'll have the current weather for your city or your location or any other city that you choose, and here we'll have the forecast for the next few days. So you will have today's and the 4 next days. But right here is really cool where you have this interface from where you can just move around and see the temperature at that certain point, certain time of the day. You can see the time right there, the temperature. You can also see the sun, so just like that you can know when the sun will set, and of course in the morning when the sun will rise. A really nice interface. Now if you go to your home screen, you can also add widgets from this app. These are the 3 widgets that you can add. You can see a simple one right there that shows the current weather. Then you will have the forecast for the next days on the medium one, and the forecast for 3 days on the smaller one. Blur Photo is the next app for the video. This one allows you to blur any part of a picture pretty easily. So here we'll have a picture that you might load. What you can do is choose the blur tool and just use your finger to blur anything you want. or if you want to unblur something, you choose the next tool, and you can just do that just like this. What is really cool is that it allows to also add shapes. So if you want to add like a circle, maybe you can of course resize it. Maybe you want to blur a face or something from a picture, you can do it just like that. You can see how easy it is blurring any part of a picture that you want. Now if you go here, we'll also have like different filters for the blurs that you can add. You can see different kind of blurs that you can add, and if you go here, then you also have parts of the photo which you can leave unblurred and blur the rest, which is really interesting and also very useful. Once you're done, of course, tap the next button and you can save it under your camera roll. Next up is MagicBoard. Now MagicBoard is a new keyboard app that allows us to have quick and easy access to the most useful stuff that you use on your device. Maybe your emails, phone numbers, or things like that that you frequently enter on different apps. You don't have to actually type them or remind them. You can have them all within the app. So once you have done that, you enable the keyboard, of course, from settings, general keyboards, and then just switch to that keyboard, and here will have your things, maybe your email. You just tap like that and you're good to go. You don't need to type it anytime you need it. Now to do this, you need to go to the app and just tap the plus button, and you can add here a title, and then of course enter here any name, anything you want to add under that title. And you can also categorize them into different categories which will show up on the keyboard, making it very easy for you to find the things that you need. Next up is Lockera. Now with Lockera, you can add stuff to your lock screen widgets. So you can see we have different things here. You can have a QR code right on your lock screen. So if you just want to share something quickly, you can have it on your lock screen. That's of course the easiest and quickest way to share maybe a link or something like that. You can add your own custom text just like that, or you can have things like maybe the storage of your device. Now it offers actually way more, but some of them are paid. So let's just head on into the app. If we go into the app, you can see what kinds of different widgets it offers for the lock screen. So we'll have your custom text, the one that we saw, QR code, storage, days left, basically a countdown, and you will have other things that are actually paid. So you will have a current week, birthdays, you will have days passed since a date, and then also the data usage for your cellular data. These are actually paid, and these ones right here are free. Next up is Famous Paintings. Now this is a fun app that you can have for your home screen. It offers home screen widgets with different famous paintings. These of course will change automatically on your device. What I don't like about this app is that it doesn't let you choose the interval, how fast you want them to change, but it's pretty simple. You just add the widgets any size you want on the home screen, and you can have like different pictures, different actually paintings showing up on the home screen of your device. And if you tap on one of them, you can see more details about that painting. And last but not least is Favorites. Now Favorites is an app that offers lock screen widgets which let you choose your favorite contacts and have them right on your lock screen. There are a ton of these apps on the App Store. What I like about this specifically is that it offers a lot of customization options. So if I go to customize here and I have the contacts that I have added, I can tap on one of them, and from here it will have a lot of like different options. I can choose a custom name for that contact, I can choose the style and choose the action. So if I tap right there, I can FaceTime audio, open URL, run a shortcut, open in WhatsApp, or message them. And you will have also other options here like showing the full name and of course show the action icon. Really cool, one of my favorites when it comes to launching actually contacts directly from the lock screen with a lot of customization options. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you're interested on downloading any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.